So hey everyone, today we'll be talking about habit tracking apps and the sites that you can use to track your habits to develop healthy daily routines. In our presentation today, we'll be covering what habit trackers are and why they're useful, a couple online habit tracking services, including Momentum, the habit tracker, Momentum Dash extension, Stick, and Habitica, and we'll finish off the presentation with a live demo. So first up, why use an online habit tracking service? We can all think of new habits that we'd like to start for ourselves and goals for the future, but sometimes it can be really hard to find the motivation to start or continue to develop a habit. So habit tracking apps and websites can give you just that extra little bit of a push to work towards making positive life changes, such as eating healthier and cooking more, starting a regular fitness routine, practicing daily self-care through medication or yoga or some other positive affirmations, and completing chores, among many other things. What are online habit tracking services? Habit tracking apps and websites work as a tool to help you set goals, keep track of priorities, and unlearn bad habits that you already have. You can build a daily routine in line with your values and objectives, measure progress through a variety of different methods, find inspiration and motivation, and be reminded of your goals and important tasks throughout the day. So first off, let's take a look at Momentum Habit Tracker. Momentum is a productivity tool for Apple users with a number of great features for keeping track of habits and routines. This includes daily reminders, interactive notifications, weekly targets, and a couple notes. You can import your data into an Excel document too, which allows you to cross-platform view with and see your progress on other applications. It's also able to connect with iWatch for Apple users, and it has a skip option for when you are on vacation or just want to take a day off. How does it work? First, you have to download for free from the App Store. Then you can sync with iCloud to check off your habits from your iPhone, iPad, iWatch, or Mac. And lastly, the free version gives you 3 free habits, and you can upgrade to premium for unlimited habits to track. The subscription would cost $2 a month or $15 a year. Next is Momentum Dash. Momentum Dash is a Chrome web extension, which is unrelated to the Apple Momentum app, by the way, and it replaces the new tab page of your browser with a personalized dashboard. This can be decorated with to-do lists, weather forecasts, inspirational quotes, and more. New inspirational and photo quote each day can appear, and you can set a daily goal, focus, or intention too. You can also keep track of links, customize the tab with widgets, and set a downtime and uptime. The way it works is pretty simple. Momentum is a Chrome extension that can be downloaded on your computer through the Chrome Web Store. So to do this, you'll first go to the Chrome Web Store through this link, which you guys can access later. Search up Momentum and click on the first result. Then you just click Add to Chrome. Momentum is used on a dashboard, so the next time that you open up a new tab in Google Chrome, you'll be able to see all your new personalized dash. Eventually, it'll look something like this. Next up is Stick. Focused on big achievements and life changes, such as quitting smoking, starting a daily workout routine, and many other big things, Stick will prompt you to sign into a commitment contract. So this is like a binding agreement that you sign with yourself to ensure that you follow through with your intentions. Fueled by peer pressure and even betting money, this can be done with groups or you can do it individually. Stick is backed by research and based on the principles of Thaler's nudge theory, which won the Nobel Economic Prize, which you guys can look into if you're interested too. How does it work? First, download the free app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or access from a computer through the browser. You can register for a free account and sign in to track your progress. Pick your own goals and set up your parameters, and you have the option of recruiting a referee who verifies your reports and creates financial stakes to increase your chance of success. Lastly is Habitica. Habitica is a free habit building and productivity app that treats your real life like a game. In-game rewards and punishments to motivate you and a strong social network to inspire you are all integrated. It helps you stay accountable by tracking and managing your habits, daily goals, and to-do list. And you can play fun games like battling monsters with friends on Habitica too. How does it work? So again, first you'll have to download the app, or again, you can access it from a computer through the website, and then you'll have to sign up for a free account. Then enter your tasks, like your habits, your dailies, and to-dos, to turn them into little monsters that you have to conquer. The more you check off your list, the more you'll progress in the game. A couple other habit tracking apps that we won't really go into today, but we want you to know are out there are Productive Habit Tracker, Habit Share, Streaks, and Habit List. If you guys are interested, make sure to check these out too. And now for a live demo. So for the live demo today, we're gonna show how you can use Stick. So normally for Stick, if you don't have an account yet, you would first register. Now we already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in real quick. And once I log in, you'll see that I'm already on the homepage. So here on the homepage, I can make a commitment if I want to like set a goal. So a couple preset ones that they have here already are like really common ones. So weight loss, quitting smoking, regular exercise, and maintaining weight, and racing for like athletes. So these are just a couple common ones. If you're interested in making your own, you can click the create your own button. But for simplicity of the live demo, I'm just gonna show you guys um, how to take one of the preset ones. So let's say I want to exercise more regularly, then all I have to do is go here, click on the select goal button, and it'll lead me to this setup. So here is where I can find all like my settings that I want to have as a part of my commitment. So I have to select the number of days per week that I commit to exercise. So I probably want to do that like 7 or like 6 days a week. And the length of my commitment. So let's say that I want to do it for like 15 weeks, and I can have this commitment start today or maybe another day. I can schedule it for any upcoming day. My reporting days will be Wednesdays, which means that every Wednesday I'll get like a report about how I'm doing. So after I've filled those in, I can go to the next step. Here I set the stakes, and this is basically the money part that I was talking about before. So money is optional, but if you're interested in any of that, you can choose where your money goes and the amount that you want to have at stake. Basically, after you fill this in, you'll have to put in a bit of information, and then you can continue onward. And after you continue, you can find a referee if you want, which is basically someone else online who can judge your performance and check in with you. And then you can add friends for support over Stick. So if you know some friends that also use Stick, you can have them monitor you as well. And yeah, that's basically it for Stick. So to set up Momentum Dash, you would go to the Chrome Web Store. So you would go to, you can just search for the Chrome Web Store through the search bar and click on that. And once I'm at the Chrome Web Store, I can go to the search bar and just search for Momentum Dash. So, as you guys can see here, there's a couple of results. This first one is the one that we're looking for. So I'll click on this and it'll bring me to just how it works. They have a little bit more information on the bottom too, if you guys are interested. And all I have to do to add this is click Add to Chrome. So as you can see, it just added Momentum to Chrome, and it'll just have me fill out some basic information. So you'll have to like have some information here to set up your stuff, but after that's done, Momentum will basically just tell you what you need to do whenever you open up a new tab. And that's about it for the presentation today. Thanks for listening, everyone.